A key part of any VMS installation is adding and configuring cameras and other devices. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to create and configure a device group for cameras. Let's create a device group for a specific location. We start by expanding the devices list. And then we click Cameras. In the Devices pane, you see the existing camera groups. We want to create a subgroup to the Office Buildings group. First, let's take a look at the content of the group. Click to expand Office Buildings. As you see, we already have camera subgroups for two existing office buildings, but not the new office building north. To add a new group here, right-click Office Buildings. Now click Add Device Group. In the Add Device Group dialog box, click the Name field to insert text. Click OK to close this dialog box. Now, we want to add cameras to the new group. We right-click the group, Office Building North. Click Edit Device Group Members. In the Select Group Members dialog box, we add cameras, either from other device groups or recording servers. Let's select cameras from the group New Cameras. First, we click to expand the device group, New Cameras. To add the cameras, we double-click each of them, so they appear in the Selected window. When all 5 cameras have been added, click OK. We have placed the cameras in a group that reflects their physical location. We now want to configure the cameras. The Axis 211A cameras are mounted on the wall. To avoid a tilted image, we need to rotate the view 90 degrees. So we click the Settings tab. On the Settings tab, we can change the common settings for all the devices in the group, or we can select a specific device type to change. In this example, we want to configure only the Axis 211A model. Let's open the drop-down list at the top of the Properties window. We choose Axis 211A camera. We can now configure all cameras of this type in the group. Under General, in the Rotation row, we click the value 0 to change it, and choose the value 90. Let's click the Save icon in the toolbar to save the changes. The new value appears in bold because it differs from the default. It's only on the Settings tab that we can do configuration by device type. On other tabs, only changes to the common settings of all devices are possible. As an example, we're going to change the motion detection settings next. We click the Motion tab. We want to turn off motion detection for all cameras in the group because we want to handle recordings using specific rules only. Note that the motion detection checkbox indicates mixed states. Motion detection is both enabled and disabled among the group members. Let's clear the motion detection checkbox to turn off motion detection for all members of the group. Click the Save icon to save the changes. You just saw how to create and configure a device group for cameras. Visit our YouTube site to view other tutorials in this playlist.